ready for Japan? Konnichiwa, Kyo desu ne, Kayla desu. We're going to Japan. Are you excited?
Still don't feel like I'm going back to Japan. Hasn't hit me yet.
I know. We're gonna be there for quite a while. Just had my last pink drink. Well, I might get a pink drink at the next airport because they don't have them in Japan, but we are flying to Newark, and then from there we are flying 14 hours to Tokyo.
Do you feel that you're going to Japan? Do you feel that?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm. We've been over here, this island for small little plane in a long time.
Yeah.
And I don't remember the seats being this comfortable.
But they don't have screen here.
That's fine.
Hope next flight will have screen.
42-minute flight.
As soon as they pull the microphone and just stop.
Same. I love how everyone just sat here.
Oh, they have avatars.
It does give me hospital vibes. They gave us this, a neck pillow. They didn't have this before. There's also a blue blanket, and I have this pillow. We booked our flight super last minute, so the only two seats that were available were middle seats up against a wall, and we didn't realize it was up against a wall. Can't really refine them very much. We only have space for my foot. It's probably gonna be a long 14 hours, but I'm gonna try to sleep. How many hours did you get of sleep last night?
0.
But you slept at the airport a little bit.
Like 30 minutes and you woke me up.
And then I got 3 hours of sleep. I'm gonna try to sleep like very soon, like once we're in the air, because it's nighttime in Japan. So keep looking for movies.
They have good movies.
Did they?
Yeah.
Nice. How does it feel to be back? We're in Japan after a 14-hour flight. My hair's a mess.
I'm so dead.
Me too. We are in Japan. Haruki-san. Got Kalbi from 7-Eleven and chicken. Honestly, the flight wasn't that bad. Oishi.
You like it?
It is currently 3:32 a.m. and we cannot sleep. We came home and Haruki slept a long time. I think I slept like 3 hours earlier, and I woke up at like 10 something p.m. We were trying to sleep and we literally can't, so it's a good thing we're staying multiple months, because this jet lag I feel is not gonna be so fun. I'm gonna try to sleep still. I don't know, like it's weird because I only slept for 3 hours before we got on the flight, and I thought I slept on the flight. My Fitbit showed that I didn't, so either I slept a very short amount of time or I didn't sleep at all. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more Tokyo vlogs, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.